Hey there, Tammy Deering here, the Mud Queen, jumping on with you real quick to give you a quick tutorial about how to lose 3 to 5 years in about 20 minutes. I put a little bit of my mud mask on my face right now. In case you don't know who I am Tammy Deering. I'm the founder and formulator of Aviv International Dead Sea Products. We are a Dead Sea apothecary company, and we are dedicated to helping our clients discover the Dead Sea difference and learn awesome secrets that are actually buried within the Dead Sea minerals for beautiful hair, skin, and nails. And one of the biggest things that I get asked about all the freaking time is, how can I get skin that looks like yours? A lot of ladies that are over the age of 50 that are really wanting to take care of their skin now because they're seeing signs of aging and they don't want it to move into having to get injections or having to get a facelift. And that was one of my biggest things, was what can I do to avoid all of that in the future? Now I'm going to give you a little secret here. I just turned 55 and I have been working with the Dead Sea minerals now over 20 years. And it's a long story, but one of the biggest secrets that I have found out about the Dead Sea is that it gives you younger, more youthful looking skin. So I've been working with this mask on a daily basis since I turned 47, because I had so many clients go, well, what if I use the mask every day? And I said, well, I don't know. So when I turned 47, I decided, you know what, I'm going to give it a shot. What the heck, you know, if my skin falls off, I'll know what to tell people not to do. But all I can tell you is that it does aid with your skin looking younger, firmer, and more beautiful. This glow that you get, especially for the ethnic type skins, Hispanic, Latino, African American. Oh, you guys, you would not believe how phenomenal this makes your skin appear. It's mind-boggling to me. You just have this angelic glow that's just beautiful. So I'm going to be using our Aviv International Sensitive Skin Mud Mask here. Now I'm going to show you something, because this is something a lot of people don't do. You'll see that they usually paint the mud on, over, or through, around the eyes. I'm actually going to paint my eyelids because I don't want to have to get a facelift or an eye tuck. Because I've had so many of my clients that have had these things done, and they come in and they have staph infections. One lady thought she was going to lose her freaking eyeballs, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's just not worth it. So why don't I do preventative maintenance? So you see how I've just painted right over that eyelid. Now what that's going to do is it's going to aid with firming, toning, and tightening of the skin. And when you get done with the mask, it takes about 20 minutes, but I'll give you a cute little inside tip here. Use a hairdryer. Yeah, use a hairdryer. It'll take it, whoop, 5 minutes. Yes, the mud's a little messy, so here's it for all of you that are just faint of heart and can't deal with messing up your washcloth. Take it off in the shower. It's that simple. You know, just get in there, soak it off real quick, wash her down. Now you can take this mud to multiple levels, because I've worked with it for 20 years. I can tell you everything. I have mudded from the top of my head to the tip of my toes. This mud goes, and it does with firming and toning all over the body. The other interesting thing is, and when I was doing my research on the Dead Sea 20 years ago for my health issues, I learned that the Dead Sea water would kill athlete's foot fungus. And I was actually diagnosed with toenail fungus on all 10 toes. The prognosis was I had to take this medicine, I had to go to the hospital every 2 weeks, get my liver checked, and I had a 30% chance that it might work. And I was like, you know what, I'll just keep painting my toenails till they fall off. I'm not going through all that. Now another tip that I do with this mud is I do the décolleté area. I've just come back from being in Florida. Even though I wore sunblock, the sun still does take its toll on your skin when you're in the beach every single day for multiple days in a row. And so what I do is I actually like to paint the décolleté area, so this way I can get it youthful looking as well. Now you can take this to the nth degree. When I deal with my psoriasis issues in the winter time, I also paint the arms, the entire arms all the way down, because I've had so many problems with my skin. I battle psoriasis. 20 years ago, I was losing my hair and going bald. I mud my hair as well, and I'm going to do a tutorial for you on that as well. But right now, I'm going to go and I'm going to let this mud dry, and I'm not at the spa, so what I do is I take care of all of my morning rituals that I have to do. I make the bed while it dries. I get coffee ready. I read devotional while it dries. A lot of times my husband and I, we do our devotionals together, and I'll mud him and myself, and that way we're doing it together, because the couple that muds together stays together. What I'm going to do with our next part of this video is we're going to be doing what I call the tap, swirl, and swipe eye makeup application for eyes over the age of 50. If you deal with hooded eyes but you want to get that good look, I've got your secrets, girl. I know how this is because I live it. Promise. Love y'all. See you later. Bye.